painful experience because it involves transformation and mutation, and each transformation requires leaving behind the old and moving towards the unknown. Fear arises as the mind is only comfortable with the familiar, and leaving the old world of convenience and safety can cause pain. However, this pain is necessary for growth, and the agony of moving towards a state of no self can lead to ecstasy. Love's transformation can also bring about a sense of oneness with the other and with the universe. As we shed our ego and connect with the other, we can experience a profound sense of unity and interconnectedness. This sense of unity can be transformative, leading to a new understanding of ourselves and the world around us. Moreover, love's transformation can lead to a deeper appreciation of beauty. As we become more open and vulnerable, we can see the beauty in the world around us more clearly. The pain of love can heighten our senses and allow us to experience the world in new and profound ways. Love's transformation can lead us to a state of awe and wonder, where even the most mundane experiences can become beautiful and meaningful. Living a loveless life is futile, and without love, one remains closed off and narcissistic. Love is fundamental for self-knowledge, and the other serves as a mirror for us to see ourselves. However, to love deeply and passionately, we must be open and vulnerable, which requires dropping our armor and ego. This can be painful, but the reflection of ourselves that we find in the other is necessary for growth and self-discovery. In essence, love is not just about finding bliss but also about going through pain and transformation to reach a higher level of consciousness. To avoid the pain of love is to avoid growth and self-discovery. Love is a fire that purifies and makes us whole, and without it, we remain incomplete.